Hi everyone, my name is Mamta Varikuti and I am from Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences, Rajampet. Welcome to the demo video of my Salesforce CRM project. The title of my project is To Supply Leftover Food to the Poor. I have built an app called Food Connect to help me with all this work. I would like to give a quick brief overview of the project and key objective. Firstly, every day over 1 million people go to bed hungry, while more than a ton of food is wasted. That where Food Connect comes in. Our goal was simple to build a centralized platform for collect information about leftover food, gathers volunteers and streamless food distribution using Salesforce tools and automations. The key objectives of this project are address food wastage and hunger, improve coordination and efficiency, involve society by encouraging volunteers, use dashboards and overflow for the better transparency. There are some steps to perform these. First step, account creation. Firstly, we need to create an Salesforce developer account. For that, we have to go to Salesforce website that is being showed on the screen. In that page, where we have fill all our details. After completing that, we will get a mail for the verifying of the account and resetting of the password. After you are done with these, you will be directed to a homepage of Salesforce website. After that, the second step is object creation. Objects in Salesforce are like database tables that stores a specific type of data. In these project, we create five different types of objects like venue, drop off point, task, volunteer, execution details. Venue, it says about the location. Drop off table, which tells about the drop location. Next, third task contains what we should do. And next, fourth, volunteer, it gathers the volunteers. Next, execution details, it has all the work that is done. Next, the third step is tabs creation. Tabs are user interface elements that allows user to access objects, apps and many more. Here in this quick find box, we search for tables, select them and create a custom tabs for each objects we created earlier. Next, the fourth step is Lightning App Builder. The name itself suggests what it does. The Lightning App Builder allows to create apps and websites. Go to the quick find search and select now new and create a web page called home. And then next, the fifth step, relationship field and fields. Relationship fields are a special type of fields that links one object to another. In my project, I have used two kinds of relationship fields, master detail relationship and lookup relationship. Fields are the columns in an object just like columns in a table. They define type of data stored in the record. We add fields that are related to the objects which we were created. And next, flows. A flow is a automation tool that lets you to collect the data, make decision and perform actions without writing any code using flow builders, screen flows, etc. In this, we created a flow called venue form in which we add venue details and create venue record flows. In them, we add the required fields like name, contact number, email ID, etc. At the last, we get the output of a venue form with empty field where we can add details. Next, the seventh step is trigger. A trigger is a piece of Apex code that runs automatically before or after certain elements like events like a record, inserts, updates and delete. Here we use a small piece of code that is related to the drop off points. This trigger calculates the distance from the current location to the drop location. After writing the trigger, do not forget to save it. And then the eighth step is profiles. Profiles in users generally defines a user permissions of what they can see, do and access. Here we provide general access to write the data and see it, but we can't modify the previous data. And next, the users. Generally, a user is anyone who can log in into the system, but everyone must have an user account. Here we create three user like Ishka, NSS, and based on the information provided. But we can create more users also. Next, public groups. Public groups in general are a collection of users. We group them together to gain sharing rules, etc. Here, I have grouped all the users that we have created in the previous step. These all users share similar access. And next, report types. Report types define which objects and fields to be used. And here we create custom reports types where the admin can include the required objects and fields. The report type that we created here is venue is drop off point. Next, reports. Reports are created on the report type field. We generally add the columns, rows, and all that we need to see on the page or that are needed to seen by the others. These reports generate the latest records and data. And next, dashboards. Dashboards is a visual representation of the key metrics using charts, tables, graphs, etc. We create two dashboards, a custom one and a private one. We add the reports to them. We create table and a line chart. And next, sharing rules. Sharing rules allow you to automatically grant record access to users based on the criteria like role, public, etc. Here we created three rules mentioned, three criteria for the distance field. And next, homepage. The homepage of the Food Connect app. In this, we combine the dashboards and flows, and the final output combines the both dashboards and flows. At it shows like this, and after this we just include the sample data. We give all the details that are asked and refresh the page. Next, we select the data and select the drop off points and drop off points data and saved it. Next, we select the data, fill the data and save it. At last, after completing everything, we refresh the page and we can see the output. As of now, my demo video comes to end, and I would like to say that in this program I have done many things, from creating custom objects and automated business logic through flows and triggers to building dynamic dashboards and securing data with profiles and sharing rules. The entire Food Connect application has been achieved end to end using the Salesforce platform. This scalable low code solution not only enhances operational efficiency but also delivers real world social impact by bridging the gap between food surplus and hunger. Thank you so much.